Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you the recipe of how to make fish with dal. Not actually fish, the head piece of the fish with dal. Let's get on to it. First we are supposed to boil our dal, and so that my ammu just put some water and she cleaned it, and also then she's going to boil it, and when the water goes away we are going to put some more water, and that's how we are going to boil it. After that, cover and keep it. Then we are going to prepare our fish. First we have our head pieces, and then we are going to put the salt and turmeric and then red chili powder, and finally nicely give the fish a massage. And then here our dal is fully boiled and it's so good. It's so soft and nice and mushy. Then pour oil in another pan and fry our fishes. All the sides, make sure that every side is very crunchy and crispy so that it's nicely fried and all. After the fishes are fried, we can move on to the next step, which is we can put some cumin into the pressure cooker, and then some dry red chilies, our onions, give it a stir, ginger garlic paste, and a little bit 1/4 of water of a cup, turmeric, red chili powder, and cumin and coriander, roasted cumin, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. Then give it a nice stir. Put our tomatoes in there. It's a really easy dish, you can make it anytime. And then we are going to put some water. Finally, we are going to put our fish heads in there and give it a nice stir. And also, like, you can break the fishes so that it has like a little bit of smaller piece. And then finally we are going to put our dal in there, give it a nice stir, add a little bit of water, not a little bit, like more than the half cup, 3/4 of a cup. Our our green chilies go in there, coriander goes, and that's all. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye bye.